And currently one of the KI instructors at Peniel Glory Preparatory School. And this week is all about curiosity. That is our social and emotional learning, our LCL team for this week. And when it comes to curiosity, it's all about I eagerly explore new things and ask probing questions. That is asking good and important questions. Curiosity means you have to be inquisitive. That inquisitive is not when you are interested in people's affairs. The person is interested in people's affairs. No, I'm not talking about that. Yes, Conquesa, I'm not talking about that. This curiosity, this inquisitive is when you are eager for knowledge. Say eager for knowledge. I eagerly explore new things. Ask probing questions. Very good. Yes, we teach these kids that they have to be inquisitive. Not inquisitive that they become interested in people's affairs, but they should be eager for knowledge. Okay. Very good. Now, we are done with our warm-ups and aerobics. We've reached to a very important session of KI class. As I've been telling you guys, in KI class, we don't only play, we don't only dance, we don't only have fun, but we also learn. We also, out of curiosity, you are going there to explore. There's football over there. You'll be in your lane. We have 6 lanes, so 6 people are going to play after time. So when you hear the whistle, you go. Please, don't come and use your leg to touch. Don't use your hand to push it. Take the ball. Come again. You put it on it. Don't let the ball fall down. If the ball falls down, you are disqualified. You go again. You stretch. You have been able to explore. Then you put it on your lower disc. Eat that. If you are able to do it first, you are the winner. Okay. Who is going to win? Go. Don't ask for a sentiment. Bring your ball. Go and win. It's a competition. Fast. Go. Faster.
My name is Ifwa Issa Obien, and I am a student at Peniel Glory Prep School. This week, our topic is curiosity, and curiosity means I eagerly explore new things and ask important questions. If I don't understand something, I should ask, Uncle, what is this? And you may know. Thank you.